Taking action at the right time, a Buddha story. Once in the city of Rajgir, there lived a wise and wealthy merchant named Dhanananda. He was known for his intelligence, but he had one flaw. He always postponed important decisions, waiting for the perfect moment. One day, he heard that the Buddha had arrived in Rajgir, delivering teachings on wisdom and action. Curious, Dhanananda decided to visit him. As he entered the monastery, he saw a group of monks listening attentively to the Buddha. He waited for his turn and then asked, "Blessed One, I am successful, but often hesitate to act, fearing mistakes. How can I know when the right time to act is?" The Buddha smiled and told him a story. The foolish farmer. Once in a small village, there was a farmer named Somadatta. He owned a fertile piece of land, but was extremely lazy. Every year, when the monsoon season arrived, the villagers plowed their fields and sowed seeds. But Somadatta kept waiting. One day, he told himself, "The rain is not heavy enough. I will sow the seeds later." A few weeks passed, and the rainfall increased. He thought, "Now the rain is too strong. The seeds might wash away. I will wait for better weather." A month later, when the rain finally settled, he found that the ground had hardened, making it difficult to plow. He sighed and said, "Perhaps next year will be better." And so, another year passed without a harvest. His neighbor, however, was a wise farmer who sowed his seeds at the right time. He understood that no moment is ever perfect. One must take action with the conditions available. His fields flourished, and he harvested plenty of crops, while Somadatta remained poor and regretful. The lesson: the Buddha looked at Dhanananda and said, "Just like the foolish farmer, many people wait for the perfect conditions before taking action. They fear making mistakes, but in reality, hesitation is a greater mistake. The right time is not in the past or the future. It is always the present moment." Dhanananda understood. He bowed to the Buddha and decided never to delay important decisions. From that day on, he acted wisely and promptly, leading his business to even greater success. Moral of the story: waiting for the perfect moment often leads to inaction and regret. The best time to take action is now.